Welcome back to the Windows Club. Are you getting Microsoft Teams error 657RX when trying to sign in? If Teams suddenly refuses to authenticate your account, the problem may be related to your Windows work or school account connection or old credentials saved on your PC. In this guide, I will show you the working fixes to resolve the error and get back into Microsoft Teams. Disconnect and reconnect your work or school account. The first thing to try is refreshing the account connection between Windows and your Microsoft 365 account. Sometimes Windows can have an outdated or corrupted connection to the account that Teams is trying to use. Disconnecting the account and adding it again can force Windows and Teams to create a fresh authentication connection. Open Settings from the Start menu. Now select Accounts. On the right side, click Access Work or School. Here, you should see the work or school account connected to your Windows device. Select the account that you use with Microsoft Teams and click Disconnect. Follow the instructions on the screen to remove the account. Once that's done, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, return to Settings, then Accounts, then Access Work or School. Select the option to connect the accounts again and sign in with your work or school credentials. Now open Microsoft Teams and try signing in again. If the error was caused by a problem with the Windows account connection, reconnecting it can resolve the issue. Clear saved Microsoft credentials. If disconnecting and reconnecting the account didn't help, the next thing to check is the credentials saved in Windows. Teams and other Microsoft 365 apps can store authentication information in Windows Credentials Manager. If an older corrupted credential is being used, Teams may repeatedly fail during the sign-in process. To clear these saved credentials, open the Start menu, type Credential Manager, and open it from the search results. Now select Windows Credentials. Look through the saved credentials and check for entries related to Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Office, Outlook, Microsoft 365, your work or school account. Expand an entry if necessary and check the details before removing it. If you find an old or relevant Microsoft credential that may be causing the problem, select Remove. Be careful not to remove unrelated credentials that you still need for other applications. Once you have removed the relevant saved credentials, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, open Microsoft Teams. You will probably be asked to sign in